Hi, this is VC Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn on emergency alerts on your Xiaomi phone. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! You should know that emergency alerts are a new feature that is being implemented in several countries and regions. Currently, tests are being carried out to ensure the correct functioning of the system. You may have been shocked when you saw that your phone made a loud sound and displayed an alert message on the screen without understanding the reason. But it's so helpful. And what if you want to you want to enable the crisis alert or emergency alerts on your phone? It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our settings on your phone. You can scroll down you will find there is an option, safety and an emergency option. You can just tap on that. There is an option, crisis alert. You can just tap on that. Here, if you enable the crisis alert or the emergency alert, you'll get notified about the natural disasters and public emergencies affecting in your area. Now you can just tap on the toggle on here. When crisis alert is turned on, personal safety will use this permission. Now you can just tap on turn on. So now your emergency alert has been activated and you will get notified about the natural disaster and public emergencies affecting your area. It's so simple, right? So that is how to turn on emergency alerts on your Xiaomi phone. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!